Hello students, welcome to AK Maths and Science. So today we will be dealing with the topic the kinetic theory of matter. So let's start. First of all, what do you mean by the word kinetic or kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is energy that something has because of its motion. So therefore, the kinetic theory of matter explains forces between the molecules and the energy which they possesses. Now let's see the points which are summarized below related to this theory. First point is all matter is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. So matter क्या होता है? कोई भी चीज़ जिसके पास मास है एंड ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस उसे हम कहते हैं मैटर. सो सभी मैटर एक बिल्कुल टाइनी पार्टिकल्स, टाइनी मीन स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स से बने हैं जिन्हें हम कहते हैं मॉलिक्यूल्स. Second point, in the solid state, the particles are rigidly held in their positions about which they can only vibrate. So solid state में as हमें पता ही है कि particles too much tightly held होते हैं अपनी positions पे जिससे वो सिर्फ vibrate ही कर सकते हैं. Third point, in the liquid state, the particles are in the continuous motion but are not completely separated from each other. While in motion, they collide among themselves. So these are common points only. हमें पता है लिक्विड स्टेट में द पार्टिकल्स कॉन्टीन्यूस दे आर इन कॉन्टीन्यूस मोशन, पर वो कम्प्लीटली सेपरेटेड नहीं होते एंड इन मोशन दे कोलाइड अमंग देयर ओन प्लेसेस. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज इट हैज़ three parts. A part is in the gaseous state, the particles are in continuous random motion, almost independent of each other. So as we have seen that second point is about solid state, third is about liquid state and fourth is about gaseous state. So solid state में particles tidally held होते हैं जिससे वो सिर्फ vibrate ही कर सकते हैं. Liquid state में particles completely separated नहीं होते from each other. So when they are in motion they collide among themselves, and in gaseous state the particles are in random motion. So वो जितना चाहे वो move कर सकते हैं particles. They are almost independent of each other. The particles in a gas travel much longer distances than in liquid before they collide with the particles or with the walls of the vessel. So gaseous state में particles ज़्यादा distance travel करते हैं liquid state के comparison में, because in liquid state they collide with the other particles, which is not much in the case of gases. The collision of the particles with the walls of the vessel gives rise to the pressure of the gas. So the collisions which are occurring in the container between the particles, they give rise to the pressure of the gas. Fifth point is the particles possesses some energy due to their motion. This energy is called kinetic energy. So as I have told you in the starting of the topic, kinetic energy, the energy possessed due to motion by the particles, which is known as kinetic energy. The kinetic energy possessed by the particles is dependent on temperature. जो kinetic energy है particles की वो टेम्परेचर पे डिपेंड करती है, और जब हम टेम्परेचर हाई करेंगे kinetic energy भी हाई हो जाएगी, एंड ऑन लोअर टेम्परेचर kinetic energy also gets low.